Hello, many followers experience issues when downloading any app, such as receiving a message saying this application is not available in your country. Let's solve this problem from the root today. First, we will go into Settings and click on the ID, then click on Media and Purchases.
Account display. Of course, you will enter the account with a password or Face ID. Scroll down to Country and Region.
We press on Change Country or Region. We choose, for example, the United States.
We click on Agree to the terms and conditions. Of course, here they will ask you for a card. Enter the first name and last name.
Also, enter the street, for example, the city, for example, here in the state we choose the state of California, we choose the city of San Diego, and you press on the postal code. Of course, you can find it on Google Map.
You can press as shown to you from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 90. This way you will press on the comment and the region will be saved as if you are residing in the United States, and you can download the apps you want.